Hello, I wanted to lead you through where you can find our library Zoom link on Wednesdays. So remember, we switched from having our libraries on Thursdays to now having them on Wednesdays at 10:15. Okay, so it's really important that you are on those Zooms at 10:15. So the first thing you need to do is go to our second grade Miss Tinsley District Remote Teacher Power School page that we use every day. Then you are going to go to the week that we are on. So this week we are on week 11, October 19 through October 23. I'm going to click on the little arrow right next to week 11. So now all of my days drop down and I will click on Wednesday. So you will do this every Wednesday. So your very first link is going to be Library with Miss Banks. You will click, it says right here, your Zoom meeting with Miss Banks starts at 10:15. You must be on. So here is the link. So all you need to do is press that green link right there or go to zoom.us and enter your meeting ID and your passcode. So the only thing you need to do is go to Wednesday each week and you will see your library Zoom link.